Since 1947, India has made amazing progress in many areas like science, sports, medicine, infrastructure and defense. Let's rewind and look at some of the India's greatest achievements over the years. The day every Indian will carry in their hearts forever. On this special day, India got freedom from the British after ruling for 200 years. Our first flag was hoisted by our first Prime Minister, Jawaharlal Nehru at Princes Park, India Gate. India made history in sports when our hockey team won a gold medal at the London Olympics, defeating the same Britain that once ruled us, and doing so on their own land. The Indian hockey team has won more gold medals than any other sport since the Olympic Games began. At one point, our men's field hockey team dominated every game they played. Recently, in the 2024 Paris Olympics, we added to our legacy by winning a bronze medal. Another important day in India's history came after independence. On this day, the first Lok Sabha was formed after the first general election in 1951. It was the largest election in the world at that time, with around 53 political parties participating, including 14 national parties. The Indian National Congress won the election, and Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru became independent India's first democratically elected Prime Minister. India became a superpower on this day by conducting its first nuclear test in Pokhran. The operation was codenamed Smiling Buddha. Later, in 1998, we conducted another test called Shakti. As of 2024, India is one of the developing countries with nuclear power heads. On this day, India made history in space by launching its first Made in India satellite, Aryabhat. Although India had launched a sounding rocket in 1963, Aryabhat was our first full-fledged satellite. Since then, India's space organization, ISRO, has never looked back. In 1975, India successfully launched Chandrayaan-1. Later, Chandrayaan-2 attempted to soft land on the moon, but we didn't succeed. However, on 23 August 2023, India made history by successfully landing on the moon. Now, the Indian Space Research Organization is one of the top space agencies among few. Not only we launched the rocket for other developed countries, but also we are preparing for a human landing on the moon in 2040. India made another mark in history, this time in medicine. In 1995, India launched the Pulse Polio Immunization Program to eliminate polio. We had developed our first indigenous oral polio vaccine, OPV, in 1970, which was used in this program. Today, we are proud to say that India is a polio-free country. On 27 March 2014, the World Health Organization certified India as polio-free. This is one of the most remarkable achievements since independence. Kargil Vijay Divas is the day we remember our brave Indian Army who saved our country by sacrificing their lives. Today, we celebrate our independence thanks to our army. In 1999, the Pakistani army attacked the Indian side of the line of control in Kargil. Under the leadership of Captain Vikram Batra, our soldiers fought with all their might, leaving no stone unturned. They fought until their last breath and drove the Pakistani army out of our motherland. Today, once again, we salute our soldiers. Many CEOs of top technology companies are Indian, showing that nothing is impossible for India. India made history in technology by creating a digital payment system. The National Payments Corporation of India launched the Unified Payments Interface, UPI, revolutionizing how Indians make payments. Who could have imagined that you wouldn't need a wallet, purse, or even cash to pay for a cup of tea? Shop owner does not need to give the return anymore. Now, all you need is a mobile phone, and you can make payments anywhere, anytime. According to the latest data, UPI transactions even exceed the GDP of top countries. But it doesn't stop there. UPI is now available outside India too. At the 2024 Olympics in Paris, India launched the UPI system, people can just scan and buy their ticket without even thinking about currency exchange. What a remarkable invention! Although India's railways began long before the independence. On February 15, 2019, a new era of railways was started. India launched Vande Bharat, a semi-high-speed train with a top speed of 160 km per hour. As of now, approximately 106 Vande Bharat Express trains operating in India and isn't stopping. Their plans are already underway to export Vande Bharat trains to other countries. In human history, the world was shaken by the global pandemic, COVID-19, which claimed millions of lives. Our country was no exception. It felt like the entire nation came to a standstill. While every developed country began working on medicines to save lives, India decided to create its own vaccine. In no time, the World Health Organization validated and approved the Made in India vaccine on November 3, 2021. It was a historic moment for every Indian. Not only was the vaccine developed quickly, but India also made history by vaccinating the entire country in a very short time. India didn't stop there, it generously gifted vaccines to other countries in need. Finally, we would like to thank each and every one who saved our life during this tough period. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.